Hello.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, yes. 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 Start today's session. Hmm. Good afternoon. So here we can learn differences and similarities between these two types of respiration. Okay, today we can learn similarities and differences between two types of respiration. First, we can see similarities. So first of all, who will say what do you mean by similarity? What does similarity mean? What is similarity mean? Similarity, similar.
Same.
Okay, same. So you are the right person to say that. Okay. Gopika, Parvati, and Amrita. Hmm. So you are now also I can't identify who is Gopika, who is Parvati. Maybe I am not seeing you. That is why. Okay, only through this one. No. Okay. So similarity means same thing. What is same thing in these two type of respiration? What is same in these two types of respiration? You can just think what it is similar in these two types of respiration.
Respiration is done.
Yes, Suraja. Yes, tell me.
Respiration is done.
Respiration?
Is done with aerobic and anaerobic, right, ma'am?
Yes, yes, yes.
Respiration is done either with oxygen or without oxygen. Respiration is done.
Okay, either with oxygen, without oxygen, then it will, we can consider it as a difference. I want the similarity. Similarity. You told the point, but you have to, don't read the textbook, okay? Just what all you learned in this class, I want to get out of it. If you can't say it in proper sentence, no problem. Just try it. Similar. Similarities.
They both release
Involves
energy.
exchange.
Nakul?
They both release energy.
Yeah, very good. Very correct answer. Okay.
Ma'am, exchange.
Through
Exchange
the
in gases. Exchange in gases.
dear, it is okay. Exchange in gases also is there, but respiration means getting energy, right? So that is not in exchanging. That is not about exchanging. So respiration, two types of respiration. Energy is released. That is the main similarity in both the aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Energy is released by breakdown of glucose. Okay, so that is the main similarity. Energy is released due to the breakdown of glucose. Okay, so first point it is over. Who can say about the second similarity? Second similarity, where it take place, where this respiration take place?
Ma'am, in blood.
In blood cells. Cells.
Blood cells, ma'am.
Cells.
Cells. Not the, we can't say whether it is blood cell, muscle cell or something. Say it is taking place in cells, right? In all the cells, this process is taking place. So second similarity, both the respiration take place in cells. Okay, so we learned two similarities. First one, energy is released. Energy is released in both the respirations. I think you can see it, right? Can you see this, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Similarities between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic and anaerobic respiration, both energy is released, energy is produced. So first similarity. Another similarity, both it take place in the cells of the organism. Here also in cells. So if I ask you oral question, orally if you want to answer for this question, What are the similarities between aerobic and anaerobic respiration? You can say like this answer. Both releases energy by the breakdown of food. Okay, both releases energy by the breakdown of food. Both respiration take place in cells. Both process take place in cells. So these are the two similarities. We can see it among aerobic and anaerobic respiration. But if I ask a descriptive type of question, if you want to write it a short answer, so you have to make it like a column and you have to write it like so. Okay, but the points are same. Albin Sibi, Albin Sibi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So how you will write a short answer? If the question is, what are the similarities between aerobic and anaerobic respiration? How you will write?
Energy is anaerobic respiration is
Ah.
energy is produced by breakdown of food like glucose.
Okay, first, then?
It takes place in the cells of the organism.
Okay. So here you can see, you can find the similarity. You can write the similarities in the first point. First, you can say about aerobic respiration. Then second, also you can say in this also energy is produced by breakdown of food like glucose. Right?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
can say like this. Okay. So next one, Afrin, tell me what is the second similarity between these two respirations?
It takes place in the cell of organism.
About aerobic respiration. And what about anaerobic respiration?
It also takes place in cells of organisms.
Organism. Okay. So next one, Shahban. So what are the say two similarities? I draw the line here. Okay. First one, first similarity, and the second one is the second similarity. Okay. So Shahban, can you read the similarities between these two types of respiration?
Aerobic respiration. Energy is produced by breakdown of food like glucose.
Hmm.
Anaerobic respiration. In this also energy is produced by breakdown of food like glucose.
Okay, first one over. Yes. Noralia, right? Can you tell your name, please?
Nur al Haya.
Say it loud.
Nur al Haya.
Okay, whatever it is. Okay, so read it. Second similarity.
It takes place in the cells of the organisms. And then
Anaerobic respiration also take place in the cells of organism. Okay, so I hope it's clear. Is it clear?
Yes.
Is it
Yes,
clear?
ma'am.
Okay. So now I will send the question, send this note as in question answer form. Okay, that you can complete, you can copy it and you can keep it. But now you give me oral answer. Okay, if I ask you, what are the similarities between two types of respiration? Aaron, what are the similarities between two types of respiration? Can you tell me?
Ma'am, can you say one more time?
Yes, sure. See, what are the similarities between two types of respiration? Aaron, I don't want in a complete sentence. I want only the points. Yes.
I have attended the class right now.
Okay. So please wait. Hashir. No. Gopika Shankar. Tell me a difference between, similarities between two types of respiration.
Ma'am, both releases energy by the
Very good.
breakdown of food.
Hmm.
Then both takes place in the cells of the organism.
Okay, very simple answer, right? Very simple. So, Aaron, Aaron,
ma'am.
are you be able to answer it? Otherwise, I will call one more student. After that, I will come
Both-
to you. Okay.
Both
Who
of them
can-
releases. Both of them
Sorry?
releases energy.
Okay, very good. Both releases energy by the breakdown of glucose. Then,
Both of them take place in the cells of organ. Of
very
energy.
good, very good.
Organ cells.
Okay, very good, Aaron. Very good. So these are the similarities. Harsher, Harsher, Harsher.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can't hear me, Harsher. How many times I called?
Ma'am, my speaker is very low. That's why.
Okay, you have to raise the volume of your speaker. Okay, just otherwise, how you will understand? See how she is hearing, just to solve that problem. So we can move to the next session. That is the differences between two types of respiration. Before that, let me call Aisha, Nihan, Ihan, Jonal, Anna, Alvin, Karthik, Nesrin, no problem. Wazim, switch on your videos, children. Why you was keeping it close? The next one, differences between two types of respiration. Yes, find out the differences. We can discuss. Yes, what are the differences between two types of respiration? Who can say? Yes, think.
Ma'am,
Shreya
aerobic
Menon. Yes,
respiration.
Shreya Menon, raise your hand. Yes, you can tell.
Ma'am, aerobic respiration process of breakdown of food in the presence of oxygen, and anaerobic respiration in the absence of oxygen.
Okay, that is the main difference. That is the main difference. Okay, aerobic respiration take place in the presence of oxygen. Anaerobic respiration take place in the absence of oxygen. First difference, it is over. Effins, yes, switch on the light. I can't see your face.
On my light.
Yes, another difference, find out.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
it can be glucose breakdown into carbon dioxide and water, and in anaerobic glucose breakdown into alcohol, CO2 and energy.
Okay, difference in the products. Very good. Difference in the product. Okay, so second one, we can say about the difference in the product. In aerobic respiration, along with carbon dioxide and energy, what is produced?
Alcohol.
Water. But in anaerobic respiration, along with carbon dioxide and energy, what all things are producing?
Water.
Huh?
lactic acid.
One more thing. Lactic acid is in muscle cells. In yeast,
Alcohol.
Okay, alcohol or lactic acid along with carbon dioxide and energy. So first one about the presence or absence of oxygen. That it is over. Second one, it is about the products. In aerobic respiration, along with carbon dioxide and energy, water is produced. In another one, along with carbon dioxide and energy, lactic acid or alcohol is produced. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. One more difference.
Higher organisms such as mammal have anaerobic respiration, and small organisms such as bacteria have anaerobic respiration.
Okay, that is okay. That is also there.
Ma'am,
Any other one?
Ma'am,
Yes, Shreya.
ma'am, in aerobic respiration, it takes a long time to release energy.
Sorry?
Ma'am, in aerobic respiration, it takes a long time to release energy.
Long time to release energy. Then
In
1 minute. Shreya and Surya, please keep quiet. Others are not thinking. You are only thinking. Others are not at all thinking, I think. They may think that these two will answer it. So let them be answer. Okay, don't see all others. Don't read the textbook. What all we learned, you can do it. From the products itself. You can find a difference. Product is different, that I understood. Why that products are forming? There one clue is there. Why the products are likewise forming? Why lactic acid is forming there? Not remembering? Huh? Complete, partial, complete breakdown of glucose. In aerobic respiration, complete breakdown of food is take place. And in anaerobic respiration, which type of breakdown? Which type?
Partially.
Partial. Okay, so complete breakdown of food take place in the aerobic respiration. Partial breakdown of glucose take place in the anaerobic respiration. Okay, so
Yes,
I
ma'am.
think, is it anything new? Are we learning anything new?
No.
No,
No,
what
ma'am.
all we learned in these all weeks, we are just making it into in a proper format. That's all. Okay. So here we can learn about the differences between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. I think you can see the slide, right? Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am. You can see that.
four differences are there. Similarities are only 2, but differences are 4. So first one, it take place, aerobic respiration take place in the presence of oxygen.
Oxygen.
Anaerobic respiration in the absence of oxygen.
Oxygen.
Next one, in aerobic respiration, complete
Breakdown of
food
Down of
occurs.
food.
Occurs in this.
Okay.
Use in
In
this.
anaerobic respiration,
partial breakdown of food
Partial
Use
occurs.
breakdown
carbon
of
dioxide,
food
water,
occurs
and
in
energy.
this.
okay. Next one, third one about the products. Along with carbon dioxide and energy, water is produced in aerobic respiration. But in anaerobic respiration, along with carbon dioxide and energy, alcohol or lactic acid.
Acid.
Carbon
And
dioxide
the
and
last one, due to aerobic respiration, large amount of energy is released. In anaerobic respiration,
It produces
less amount of
of energy.
Okay, so these are the 4 differences between the 2 types of respiration. First one, see if you are checking. First one, it is about the presence or absence of oxygen, right? Presence or absence of oxygen. Presence or absence. Next one, how the breakdown of food happens. How is the breakdown of food happens? One, it is complete. Another, it is partial. Next one, it is about the end products. End products. Third difference is about the end products. Water, along with carbon dioxide and energy, anaerobic respiration, water. In anaerobic respiration, along with carbon dioxide and energy,
lactic acid.
Alcohol and lactic acid.
Next one about the amount of energy. Next one is about the amount of energy.
Large amount. Aerobic
large
respiration
amount,
produces
anaerobic
large amount of energy.
Less amount.
Anaerobic respiration produces
Less
less amount of
amount.
energy.
So here if we are asking to write about short answer, you have to draw this column. Okay, you have to draw this column and you have to give a heading like this and to write it. See children, Renan, mute your audio. So, see children, you have to practice, you have to keep the same way when you learn in 10th standard also. Whenever it is asked to write differences or similarities, if it is better to write it in a table form. Okay, so because examiners don't want to read it in paragraph, especially the science teachers. They need only the points. So whenever it is writing similarities and differences in column wise, that will be appreciated. Okay, so you can keep this habit when you learn for the higher classes also, especially when you attend the board exams. Especially when you attend the board exam, these methods are more appreciated. You also can easily write down because time is precious there, right? We won't get any time for writing essays, paragraphs. So the all points are there. You have to practice it. Is it clear? Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
one and Karthik, Karthik Vinod, you have to cut your hair. You are playing all time with your hair, I think, right? Karthik, please read the differences. First two differences.
scratched the hair.
Okay. See, Karthik, you read the first two differences between aerobic and anaerobic respiration.
It takes place in presence of oxygen. Anaerobic respiration take place in the presence of oxygen.
Very good.
Anaerobic respiration, it takes place in the absence of oxygen.
Very good, Karthik. I am very happy that you read it in a by reading the heading, that all. Very good, very good. So second one also you read. Second one.
Aerobic respiration, complete breakdown of food occur in this. Anaerobic respiration, partial breakdown of
Partial. See, read it. Partial.
Partial-
So
partial
what do you mean
breakdown
by
of-
partial? Partial. Incomplete. Not fully. Incomplete. Not fully. Yes, read it.
partial breakdown of food occur in this.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Let me call some other student for reading it.
Ma'am,
Bhaja,
can I?
Bhaja, read the third and the fourth differences.
Aerobic respiration.
Read it loud. Read it loud.
The end products are carbon dioxide, water, and energy.
Okay.
Anaerobic respiration, the end products are alcohol or lactic acid, carbon dioxide, and energy.
Very good. Then last one.
Aerobic respiration produces large amount of energy. Anaerobic respiration, it produces less amount of energy.
Okay, I think it is enough, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
you can expect short answer. 4 mark or 3 mark questions like this, and MCQ questions also. So can you make any one questions based on the differences? MCQ question, who can make? Just do a try.
And which are the products of
Ah.
anaerobic respiration?
Okay, which are the products of which respiration?
Anaerobic respiration.
Anaerobic respiration. Okay. So you can ask to any one of the student. Call one name. Fast.
Karthik.
Karthik. Oh. Karthik.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Albin asked one question. Did you hear that question?
Can you say one more time?
Okay, Albin, say it one more time.
Which are the products of anaerobic respiration?
Anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration.
Products of anaerobic respiration.
Along with carbon dioxide and energy, what all are producing anaerobic respiration? Don't know. So I will pass that question to Rinon. Rinon, what are the products of anaerobic respiration?
Carbon dioxide,
Carbon dioxide,
water,
anaerobic respiration?
Ma'am, can I say?
Alcohol.
Alcohol. Alcohol.
Energy.
Okay, carbon dioxide and energy in both it is producing. Along with carbon dioxide and energy, what it is producing?
Lactic acid.
Lactic acid. Okay, another question who can make?